Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Dear student, today is our lecture number 27 and SW number 17 of half yearly. And my dear student, our today's topic name is exercise 6A. From exercise 6A, we shall solve question number 4 and 6. From 4, we shall solve 8 and 9 number question. And dear student, from 4 question, 3 and 6 will be your SW and 5 also will be your SW. So my dear student, open your math book. Page number 44. Okay. From page number 44, we shall solve question number 4 and question number 6 as your CW. And question number 4, sub number 3 and 6 will be your SW, and odd problem 5 will be your SW also. I have already written these two questions on the board. So my dear student, let us start. First question, question number 4. Here the question is calculate 8 and 9. Here 8 number question is 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8 minus 11 by 12. And question number 9 is 1 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 2 into 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. We want to calculate these two problems. And odd problem number 6 is Geeta has 1 into 5 by 6 liter of juice and Mamun has 13 by 8 liter of juice. Who has more juice and what is the amount? Dear student, notice this word problem has two parts. One part is who has more juice and what is the amount. Okay. So at first we solve question number 4. Question number 4 at first we pick up here. For question number 8, 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8 minus 11 by 12. My dear student, we have already learned how to do addition and how to do subtraction of fractions. Today we shall learn addition and subtraction in the same math. Okay. So here 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 11 by 12. There are three fractions. Okay. 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8 minus 11 by 12. We shall do as addition or subtraction. At first we find out the LCM of the denominator. After that we divide that LCM by the denominator of the fractions, and then that result is multiplied by the numerators. Okay. So at first we find out the LCM of the denominator. Here denominators are 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12. So first of all we find the LCM. How can? At first we notice any number is divided by the 3 number. We take 2. Okay. So 2 is the prime number which divides this 3 number. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. Again we divide this 3 number by 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now my dear student, LCM equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. I repeat, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So LCM of 4, 8 and 12 is 24. So we write here 24. Now we divide this 24 by the denominator of the first fraction. Here denominator of the first fraction is 4. If we divide 24 by 4, then we get 6. And that 6 is multiplied with this numerator, that means 3. 3 multiply 6. I hope you have understood. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the second fraction, that means 24 divided by 8, and we get 8 3s are 24, and that 3 is multiplied with the numerator of the second fraction. Here numerator is 7. So 7 is multiplied with 3. Then minus sign is here. After that we divide this LCM by the denominator of the third fraction. That means here denominator is 12. We divide 24 by 12 and we get 2. That 2 is multiplied with this 11. So 11 multiplied by 2. I hope you have understood. Now dear student, we do calculation. That means we multiply 3 6 are what? 3 6 are 18 plus 3 7 are 21 minus 11 2 are 22 divided by 24. My dear student, according to the rules of simplification, at first we do addition. Here you notice 18 and 21 both carries plus sign. So at first we do addition of these two number. 8 plus 1 9, carrying, no carrying, 2 plus 1 3. So if we add 21 and 18, then we get 39 minus this 22 divided by 24. Dear student, now we do subtraction. 2 to 9, it will be 7. No carrying, 2 to 3, it will be 1. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, 17 by 24. I hope you have understood. Dear student, this is the solution of question number 8. Okay, next we shall solve question number 9. In order to solve question number 9, we erase question number 8. One into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 2 into 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. 1 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 2 into 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Dear student, at first we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4, so 4 by 3. Then plus sign, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4. Again 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 7, it will be 12 plus 5, it will be 17 by 6. I repeat, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 5, 17. Okay, okay, minus 3 by 4. Dear students, same work. Now we find out the LCM of 3 4 6 and 4. So 3 4 6 4. Dear student, notice 1 2 3, the 3 even numbers, so it's divided by the number 2. So 3 cannot divided by 2, so 3 is placed here. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again you notice 2 and 2, so both is divided by 2 and 3 is left. 3 1 3 1. Next 3 1 1 1 1. Okay, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so now we write here 12. Now dear student, please notice, we divide this 12 by the denominator of the first fraction. 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are, now we multiply that 4 with 4, 4 plus 4, then plus sign is here. After that we divide this 12 by 4 and we get 3. 3 is multiplied with that 13, 13 multiplied by 3 minus 12 is divided by 6 and we get 2. 2 is multiplied with 17. Okay, then again we divide this 12 by 4 and we get 3. 3 is multiplied with 3. Now my dear student, we shall check again. 12 is divided by 3 and we get 4. 4 is multiplied with this 4. Okay, it is done. Then plus sign is here. After that 12 is divided by 4 and we get 3. 3 is multiplied with 13. Okay, this is done. Then minus sign is here. After that 12 is divided by 6 and we get 2. That 2 is multiplied with that 17 and we get 17 multiplied by 2. Minus sign is here. After that we divide this 12 by 4 and we get 3. And 3 is multiplied with this 3 and 3 3. Okay, now we do calculation. That means we do multiplication. 4 4s are 16 plus 13 3s are 39 minus 30, 17 2s are 34 minus 3 3s are 9 by 12. Dear student, please notice here 16 plus 39 and minus 34 and minus 9. My dear student, we can do addition in two ways. 2 and 2, it is 4. Again, if minus 2 and minus 2, then we also do addition. 2 2s are 4 and this minus sign is placed here. Do you understand? I repeat. Here suppose minus 3 minus 3. If here both number carries minus sign. So this minus sign is here. After that we multiply 3 plus 3 and we get 6. So minus 6. Okay. When two signs same, then we do addition. Here minus minus, so we do addition. Here plus and plus, so we do addition. Okay. Here 9 plus 6, that means 15. Carrying 1. 3 on 4 plus on 5. Okay, minus. Here you notice both signs are minus, so we do addition. 9 plus 4 we get 13. Carrying on 3 on 4 divided by 12. Now dear student, we do multiplication. 3 to 5 we need 2, 4 to 5 we need 1. So 12 by 12, if we cut 12 by 12 by both, then we get 1 by 1, that means 1. This is the answer of these questions. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. Okay. So question number 9 is done. Next we shall solve the word problem or problem number 6. Here you notice Geeta has 1 into 5 by 6 liter of juice and Mamun has 13 by 8 liter of juice. Who has more juice and what is the amount? So my dear student, at first we write given that Geeta has 1 into 5 by 6 liter of juice. Okay, now we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 on the 6 plus 5, 11. 11 by 6 liter of juice. Okay, next Mamun has 13 by 8 liter of juice. Okay, now my dear students, the first, who has more juice? That means this question has two parts. One part is who has more juice and another part is what is the amount. So at first we find out who has more amount of juice. Okay, so in order to find that, at first you need to find out which number is greater. That means which fraction is greater, 11 by 6 or 13 by 8. So in order to finding out that, at first we convert these two fraction into fraction with common denominator. So the denominator of the LCM of the denominators 6 and 8 is. So what is the LCM of denominator 6 and 8? We divide 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are so 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So 24. Now we divide this 24 by denominator of the first fraction, here 6. If we divide 24 by 6, then we get 4. Now therefore we write 11 by 6 and again 11 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 4. That means 44 by 24. Okay, 4 11s are 44, 4 6 are 24. Okay, next again 24 divided by denominator of the second fraction, which is 8. So if we divide 24 by 8, then we get 3. Therefore we write the same fraction here, that means 13 by 8, then 13 multiplied by 3, 8 multiplied by 3. Then 8 3s are 24 and 13 3s are 39. Okay, so dear student, notice which number is greater here. Notice denominators both are same, 24 24, but here you notice numerator 39 and 44. So which one is greater? 44 is greater. So here we write 39 greater than 44, which is comes from 39 by 24, then 44 by 24. Dear student, 39 by 24 is comes from this fraction, that means 11 by 6. On the 39 by 24 is comes from 13 by 8. So we write 13 by 8, and 44 by 24 is comes from 11 by 6. 11 by 6. So dear student, notice 11 by 6 is greater than 13 by 8. So from this expression we can easily take a decision that Gita has more juice. So we write Gita has more juice. Gita has more juice. Now my dear student, we need to find out what is the amount. What is the amount? So now we find out the more amount. Therefore the more amount of juice of Gita is, we subtract 13 by 8 from 11 by 6. Okay, that means we subtract Mamun's amount from Gita's amount. 11 by 6 minus 13 by 8. We have already know the LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. Now we divide this 24 by 6 and we get 4. 4 is multiplied with 11 and we get 11. So again 13 is multiplied with, we divide 24 by 8 and we get 3. Okay, liter. Next 44 minus 39, if we multiply 11 by 4 then we get 44. If we multiply 13 by 3 then we get 39 by 24 liter. Then we subtract 9 to 14, we get 5. Carrying on, that one is added with this 3. 4 minus 4 we get 0. So no need to write 0, left of 5. So 5 by 24 liter. So dear student, Gita has more juice, and what is the amount? The amount is 5 by 24 liter. This is the answer. So as our solution is done, we must write this. Dear student, please notice, this math has two parts, so you must write two answers. So first of all is Gita, and the second part is 5 by 24 liter of juice. I hope you have understood. Dear student, this is our today's CW. Okay, and my dear student, question number 4 and sub number 3 and 6 will be your SW, and what problem number 5 will be your SW also. You must do your assign SW in your SW copy, submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. My dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.